It's Thursday. It's the DataDistillr Masterclass series. And it's Monty and Darren again today. Monty, it is always good to see you, my friend. Great to see you.
Great to see you too. A pleasure to be here.
Yeah. I was thinking about the journey, and every Thursday we're sharing something with the community, and I think this is another biggie. We are very excited to announce that we're now integrated with Snowflake, one of the most popular requests that we have received. It's up there with Salesforce. And it's just delightful to, show it to everybody live. So today is about Snowflake. Today is about direct access to your data using SQL. And we're going to show some really cool things about Snowflake. So Monty, before we get into a demo, how easy was it for you to play around with Snowflake, using DataDistillr? I know it was easy, but we just like hearing you talk about how easy it is.
We make it too easy. Your Snowflake database, all you need is your Snowflake username, your Snowflake password, and your Snowflake account ID, which you can find in your admin control panel, and then add it to a project and everything you've been working on right there in DDR.
It can't, no, it can't be that easy. Are you telling me that we can join in query and it's just add those few things to do it? Wow. Look at DataDistillr. That's pretty exciting.
It is.
And I think what we want to do today, and if you're up for it, Monty, is I think it'd be kind of cool to share your screen and really show the audience what you just told us, like how easy it is to connect and go. I mean, that's pretty sweet. So is that all right, Monty? We got you to spin up I love it.
Let's connect and go.
Connect and go. I like it. So everybody, this is the Masterclass series. This is Monty and Darren, and we're going to show you how to add and connect to your Snowflake instance.
So when you log into your DataDistillr account, head over to your data sources tab, and find the database tab in the data sources, and head over and click add a new database data source. And notice how we have, we have BigQuery, Elasticsearch.
I know. And it's funny because last week we did BigQuery. We have so many connectors now. It's insane. It's so good.
Head over, find Snowflake right here.
Yep.
Give it a unique name for your project. I would call mine Monty Rahman Snowflake or MR Snowflake. This part, the account identifier noted with the asterisk, you will find this in your administrator control panel in your Snowflake account. Then you just provide your username for your Snowflake account along with your password.
Yeah.
Press save, and it's connected. Now your DataDistillr is able to. That's the configuration. 3 things.
That's all we need. And it's so easy. And now that it's added, or when you add it, you can add it to multiple projects. So I think that's also the beauty about how easy DataDistillr makes your life is, like, once it is synced to the system, you can have 5, 6, as many projects as you want, and you just connect, as Monty said, connect and go, which is great. Hey, Monty, can you actually take us into maybe one query just so they can see how you see Snowflake in the left nav tree? Does that make sense if you want to just show the nav tree part?
Yeah, so here you will notice your Snowflake when you connect to the project.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
And you can see all of the data that comes in the database. So whatever data you have in that account and in that instance, you'll see it in your project.
And in that project, does that project also have APIs? So I see a database. It has, what do we have in there? We have a couple of APIs, right? So we've got Snowflake, right? And APIs, right? We have a couple of APIs in there. It's awesome.
Yeah, anything. So now it can be joined with any of the other things that you've added to your project. if I wanted to join my Snowflake with Airtable or ServiceNow or Salesforce, even ClickUp, they're all in the same project, all in the same data lake. Here, able to communicate and get joined.
That's right. That's so interesting. I'm glad you talked about ClickUp. We were just working with a customer using ClickUp yesterday, and it is just pretty incredible how easy ClickUp was. Sorry to talk about ClickUp, but it was easy to do ClickUp. It was easy to do the endpoints. But today is about Snowflake, and we're delighted to have that wonderful brand as part of an option at DataDistillr. It is, again, one of the more popularly requested databases or sources that we are asked by our customers, and we are delighted to now offer that. I love how easy it is, and you still need to use SQL right now. So yes, if you're watching the masterclass, we're working towards visual joins, but to where we are today, you still need to know SQL, but each week we're getting better with adding more queues to SQL. So Monty, very cool stuff, Monty. I mean, we were on a lot of calls this week, and the work that we're doing is just exceptional. So Monty, it's always good to see you on Thursdays. Is there anything else you think we should talk about? I know we have on the pipe, we've got some things coming up with Tableau. We've got some more APIs coming up, but is there anything else that you've seen this week that maybe you want to, spend 2 minutes on right now?
Yeah, I do want to give a shout out to our Salesforce API. We're going to be upgrading that big time, adding a ton of new endpoints. So users will now have a wider range of their data accessibility with Salesforce. Things that, you might have overlooked. We're now going to have all of that covered.
Oh, that's great.
You'll get a chance to get all of that. That's the big thing that's going to get pushed out soon.
That's right. I mean, it is Salesforce, just like, again, top requested API connector. Love that we're doing like more endpoints. It's S is Snowflake, Salesforce, awesome. And the ClickUp stuff you did yesterday was just awesome to everybody. Like if you're on ClickUp, like, we're going to put a link in here to have you connect with ClickUp as well. Monty, it's Thursday. It's always amazing to have you stop by the masterclass. I love that we're here to do more unveils, and this unveil is about Snowflake. You can do an early registration to play around with it. We'd love to get your feedback. So again, this is the DataDistillr Masterclass. You can download us off the Oracle Cloud Marketplace, which is pretty neat, as well as you can just hit our website at datadistiller.com. This is Darren Kaplan, and you are with our Thursday guest, which is Monty Rahman, talking about Snowflake. So thanks again for being part of today's show.